Okay, guys, good morning. It is the 9th today, which is a Tuesday, and we don't actually have that much news in the market. The best day for news is tomorrow. So we have literally some news at 1500, which isn't going to do much. Tomorrow, though, we do have core inflation rate, which is going to move the market a lot. So today, probably pretty quiet, but we are expecting some moves either way. So yesterday did exactly what I thought it would. Monday, more than likely does nothing. But if it does have a move, we would be there to catch it. Sell pressure here, buy pressure here, literally the same setup as yesterday. The daily yesterday, I mean, if we just take a little look, pin bar to the upside, potential for this to move to the upside, could break this level. So I'm happy to go either way. If it breaks to the upside, I'll go long. If it breaks this level to the downside, then I'll go short to this level. So yeah, literally could go either way. The long term is to the upside, so I would prefer a long. But yeah, nice consolidation yesterday. Today we're looking for an impulse move, either long or short, preferably long. US 30, I'm going to guess, did the same yesterday. Absolutely bugger all. So yeah, looking for a sell on this. Still at the downtrend. Again, I'm ready for it to break this level to the upside and move up, ready for it to move down. Whichever direction it does go, if you take a look at the daily, it is actually bearish because it broke this high here. So when we make higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, didn't make a higher high, made a lower low because we broke this high here. You see, we broke the uptrend. So now we are looking for sales on this. That hasn't happened on US 100 though. So we haven't broke this level here. Look, this level, higher high, higher low, higher high. Haven't made a lower low yet. It has to break this level. So it hasn't done that yet. So we're still looking long on this one. Again, this actually is looking kind of bearish, to be fair, because we've actually come up, we've come down, massive bearish engulfing, exhaustion to this level, could potentially move down, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens on the impulse move today. Gold. Let's take a look at this beauty. So gold, we know is bullish. Long term and also short term, which we don't really need to look at, but we will do. So long term, medium term, gold is stronger than the US dollar, which pretty obvious. So gold to the upside. Short term, look at that. Gold positive 7.6, medium term 7, long term 8.7. Look at that. So gold actually moved during the late session. So 1800 we got a move, which is a bit late. However, if we could get a double bottom here, that would be amazing. Move down during London, move up during the New York session would be amazing, but we'll also catch a move here if it's there. So we'll see what happens with that. Today, we'll see if we can get a move. I expect to, but gold has been moving either in the London session or after the New York. It's kind of moved the way that we want it to, but not in the session that we want it to, which is a bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. The Great British Pound against the yen now. So the Great British Pound against the yen, did we get that exhaustion? We didn't. It just literally moved to the upside. We still have room here for it to move up. All that we'll do is move this level from here to here, because this is the previous level of sell pressure, which will now become buy pressure, which will become our entry point. So 1 hour time frame, we do have a very nice uptrend here, which has stayed intact. I mean, it's not really, yeah, probably needs to be like there, but it's only had like one touch, so it doesn't really make sense for it for me to put an uptrend there. But anyway, so we're looking for a exhaustion to this level, Then any signs of it turning bullish to then move to the upside to 193,300. That's your final target. Why? Because that's where we saw sell pressure previously. So you're looking for a move down to 192,200. Then you go to 193,300. There you go. That's your trade on the Great Japan against the yen. Just need to make sure that it makes sense fundamentally still. So long term, the Great British pound stronger than the yen. Good. Medium term, the Great British pound stronger than the yen. Okay, great. Short term, the Great British pound is stronger than the yen. So yeah, if we do see a setup today, we can take it. And there we go. Everything makes sense. Fundamentally, we are happy. Let's have a look at the Great British pound against USD. Let's see what this is doing. So the Great British pound against USD hasn't really done much since our analysis yesterday. It's still at this downtrend, still at this level of sell pressure. What have fundamentals done though? So long term, what's it saying? The Great British pound is stronger than the USD still. Medium term, it is stronger. Short term, the Great British pound is weaker. So yeah, it could move to the downside. Again, long term and short term fundamentals don't really mix. Says moving to the upside. Again, this could be an inverted head and shoulders. If we do break this level, because it's only the short term, which is to the downside. So if we can break here, and then we can go all the way to this level here. So let's take a look here. That level there is a nice level of sell pressure. Clone this. There we go. Right there. That's where we can go for a TP. Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, guys, if we do get a bullish engulfing today, breaking this level, breaking the downtrend, also breaking this high, that will be an amazing long to the next level, which is 127727 or 177, just call it 30. So yeah, that's the Great Japan against USD. Makes sense fundamentally, long term and medium term. So potentially going to see a long here today or tomorrow. The euro against USD, this is the last one. So if you want to go for anything, let me know. Exactly the same here. So as you'll notice, the euro against the USD and the Great Japan against USD kind of move similar. This technically lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? This says to the downside. Fundamentals, though, might say different. So long term, the euro is way stronger than the USD. Medium term, the euro is way stronger than the USD. Short term, the euro is actually weaker than the USD. Technically, it's to the downside. Fundamentally, it's to the upside. So again, if we can break this level, if we can break this downtrend, this does look like a higher time frame, inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, potentially going to move to the upside, but it does look bearish. But this couldn't catch people out. So again, there is a downtrend. It kind of has broken a little bit. In fact, let's just take a little look see here. No, it hasn't actually. But if it does break and we do see a huge move to the upside, and then we will obviously go to the upside here. Exactly the same as the Great British pound against USD. And we go to the next level of major sell pressure, which is here, which we've seen previously, which is the daily zone. 109273 or 102970. And that is it, guys. But with the euro against USD and the Great British pound against USD, you have to be careful because it literally could go either way. Some news could come out and this actually does become weaker than the US dollar. But if it does break, then it's going to be a really good move because you're catching the breakout. It needs a lot of buy pressure in order to do that. So you'll get a really good move on the Great British pound or the euro USD. So that is it, guys. That is a live session for today. I won't be able to go live later on because I'm taking the dog to the vets. He's fine. He's just getting a checkup. So yeah, there we go. And I have to be there at 2. So if I get back before 2:30 or a little bit after, then I'll let you know. So yeah, thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you for joining, Pauline and Dave. Some other person was here as well, but they just literally dipped off. So yeah, thank you guys. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.